Hi guys, today I will explain how to withdraw ERC-20 from Trust Wallet. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the application, and once it will be open, scroll down and find that crypto which you want to withdraw. Like I want to withdraw my ERC-20, so that's why I will click on it, and here you will find a lot of options. And from here you have to click on the option send. On the top you have to enter the domain name to which you want to withdraw your ERC amount. Like I will withdraw my amount to my Binance account, so that's I will minimize it and will open my Binance. Now, my Binance application has been opened, and on the top right, you can see the option of add funds. Click on it, and here you have to select the second option, deposit crypto. Click on the search coins, and here you have to search for USDT. Once you find, click on it, and here you will find multiples crypto. Scroll down, and here you can see the option of ERC Ethereum. Click on it, and simply copy this deposit address by clicking on it. Now the address has been copied. Minimize it and open your Trust Wallet. In address, you have to paste that address which you copy from Binance. And here you have to enter the amount which you want to withdraw to your Binance. And then click on the option next. Then you can transfer your coins easily to your Binance. And it was the way by which you can do it.